At this point, we've got Metasploit. We've done a little bit of work with some workspaces. We've done some scanning from Nmap. What I want to do at this point is actually import the results that we've previously gotten from Nessus. So the first thing I want to do is change into the workspace that I'm going to be using. And if you happen to forget the workspaces that you've been working with, we can do a list of the workspaces, and now I'm just going to change into the correct workspace. So since we're storing the data from the Nessus results into the database, what I want to do is use a db import, and I'm going to import the results of this file at this point. So now we're doing the import. It's getting all of the data. We've got a couple of hosts that have been scanned using Nessus. So it's actually importing all of the port information. It's importing the vulnerability information. It's importing the data that it knows about the hosts. And at the end, we'll have some information here in our database. So right now we've got a couple of hosts that have been defined, and I can look at the services that are in the database, and you can see all of these services that are there. So that's how we would go about doing an import of data from Nessus. It's very simple. You just do db import after you've exported the data from Nessus, and it imports everything that it knows about what you've done inside of Nessus, and it pulls it into Metasploit, and then it stores it in the database for you. So I could actually exit out of Metasploit, come back in, go into the right workspace, and I can take a look at my hosts and all of my vulnerabilities, and everything will actually be there when I am all done. So it's very simple to do this, really useful. It gives you some shortcuts now. I am inside Metasploit. I don't actually have to reference anywhere else to figure out what ports are available, what things I may want to take a look at. So everything is now right here inside of Metasploit.